My name is Deepika Uday Teli, Division 4, roll number 403. Subject Foundation course. Topic Problems faced by people with disabilities. Introduction. People with disabilities face a wide range of challenges and problems in their daily lives that often go unnoticed or are inadequately addressed by society. These challenges can vary depending on the type and severity of the disability, but they generally fall into several categories. It's important to recognize that the challenges faced by the individuals with disabilities are diverse and complex, and they require a multi-phase approach to ensure equal opportunities and full inclusion in all aspects of society. Data collection and analysis. Data collecting and analysis on the problem faced by people with disabilities is essential for understanding their unique challenges and developing effective solutions. Here is a step-by-step guide on how data collection and analysis can be carried out. Data collecting and analysis on the problem faced by people with disabilities is an ongoing process that requires collaboration policy makers and researchers to ensure that the collected information leads to meaningful improvements in the lives of individuals with disabilities. Importance. Recognizing and addressing the problems faced by people with disabilities is a matter of human rights and social justice. Every individual, regardless of their abilities or disabilities, should have equal opportunities and access to all aspects of life. Promoting inclusion and diversity is essential for building a more equitable and accepting society. By addressing the challenges faced by people with disabilities, we foster a culture that values and respects differences. Conclusion. In conclusion, the problems faced by people with disabilities are varied and significant, affecting nearly every aspect of their lives. These challenges extend beyond the individuals to impact their families, communities, and society as a whole. To address this issue effectively, it is imperative that we prioritize inclusivity, equality, and accessibility in all spheres of life. By doing so, we not only uphold the fundamental human rights of individuals with disabilities but also create a more equitable and compassionate society that benefits everyone. Suggestion. Certainly, here are some suggestions for addressing the problem faced by people with disabilities. Promote accessibility. Ensure that public space, building, transportation, and digital platforms are universally accessible. Inclusive education. Implement exclusive education practices that provides students with disabilities access to quality education alongside their peers. Employment opportunities. Encourage inclusive hiring practices in both the public and private sectors. Accessible healthcare. Ensure that healthcare facilities are equipped to meet the needs of individuals with disabilities. Disabilities awareness and training. Offer disabilities awareness training to organizations and institutions to promote understanding and sensitivity towards the needs and challenges of people with disabilities. Supportive policies. Advocate for and implement policies that protect the rights of people with disabilities, including anti discrimination laws, accessibility standards, and social welfare programs. Reference. These links gives you complete information about the problem faced by people with disabilities. Thank you.